Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody, bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes. It is jour number... Count slowly with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What are you doing looking at my bottom? Today we are going to be thinking all about the weather. Now the weather ties in with Day 5's video on the seasons. Can you remember any of the seasons? We had le printemps for spring, l'été for summer, l'automne for autumn, and l'hiver for winter. And today we're going to be learning six different ooh la la vocab, which will help us to describe different types of weather. And don't forget that if you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel down there. But first, let's kick off with our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day is a question. And this question asks, what is the weather like? Écoutez, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Répétez. Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Très bien. And that means, what is the weather like? A question that we are going to be answering a bit later on in our sensational sentences. But let's move on first to our ooh la la vocab. Je bois du latte. Ooh la la, c'est magnifique. And today we have six ooh la la vocab, 6 different ways to describe the weather. Now all 6 of today's weather expressions for our ooh la la vocab start with il fait. So they will all be il fait something. Our first ooh la la vocab is the French for the weather is nice. And in French, the weather is nice is écoutez 6 fois. Il fait beau. 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 Répétez. Il fait beau. 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 Our second ooh la la vocab is the French for it is hot. Olé, 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 feeling hot, hot, hot. Écoutez 6 fois. Il fait chaud. 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 Répétez. Il fait chaud. 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 Ooh la la vocab numéro 3 is it is cold. And it is cold in French is... Écoutez 6 fois. Il fait froid. 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 Répétez. Il fait froid. 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 Ooh la la vocab numéro 4 is the French expression for it is cloudy. Écoutez 6 fois. Il fait nuageux. 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 Répétez. Il fait nuageux. 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 Our next ooh la la vocab is the French for The weather is bad. Écoutez 6 fois. Il fait mauvais. 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 Répétez. Il fait mauvais. 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 And last up we have it is stormy. When you walk through a storm, hold your head up high. Now check out this video of my dad and I staying in the Italian mountains in the Dolomites last summer. It is super scary. I'm very pleased that we were indoors. Écoutez 6 fois. Il fait orageux. 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 Répétez. Il fait orageux. 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 So now we are going to move on to which one's missing. So with our 6 oulala vocab, I'm going to show you 4 of them. I'll show you 4 pictures. One of them will disappear and you've got to work out which one's missing. So up first we have il fait beau, il fait chaud, il fait froid, il fait nuageux. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said il fait chaud. Next one. We have il fait beau, il fait mauvais, il fait froid, and il fait nuageux. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said il fait nuageux. Next one. We've got il fait beau, il fait mauvais, il fait froid, and il fait orageux. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said il fait beau. Next one. And I'm not going to help you this time. Look very closely. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said il fait froid. Next one. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said il fait mauvais. And the last one. Which one's missing? And a big très bien if you said il fait orageux. Bravo et fantastique. So now it is time for our fairly new game, Sensational Sentences. How many times can you say it? Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. Okay, let's move on. So I'm going to ask our phrase of the day, which was Quel temps fait-il? Très bien, which means what is the weather like? And I'm going to show you a picture, and I would like you to say out loud what you think the weather is like in French using one of our 6 oulala vocab. Let's go. Quel temps fait-il? It looks really nice and beautiful. So très bien if you said il fait beau. Next one. Quel temps fait-il? Oh, it looks hot. Très bien if you said il fait chaud. Quel temps fait-il? Oh, she looks quite cold. Bravo if you said il fait froid. Quel temps fait-il? It's very cloudy. Très bien if you said il fait nuageux. Quel temps fait-il? Oh, the weather looks a bit bleak, doesn't it? So bravo if you said il fait mauvais. And last one. Oh, look at that lightning. Bravo if you said il fait orageux. So now we're going to move on to our song of the day. Today's song of the day is a bit of a favourite of mine. In fact, some of my friends make fun of me because I like it so much. This song is called Dernière, Danse, which means last dance, and it's by Indila. You can find this song in the YouTube description below. There are a few reasons why I love this song so much. First of all, the tune is amazing. Secondly, the words are very, very clever. Thirdly, there are some wonderful views of Paris. And fourthly, the weather changes a lot over the course of the video. So do notice how it starts off as il fait beau and il fait chaud, and then it gets il fait mauvais, il fait nuageux, il fait orageux, before it then finishes off again as il fait beau and il fait chaud. Enjoy! And last up is our fun French fact of the day. In Dernière, Danse, you will see a couple of images of the Tour Eiffel. And here are a few pictures of me at the Tour Eiffel. But did you know that the Tour Eiffel was supposed to be taken down after it was built? It only took 2 years to be built. From 1887 to 1889, and it was supposed to be taken down after the 1889 World Fair. And a lot of people really did not like it when it was built, but there was enough support that they decided in the end to keep it up. And I'm so pleased that they did. And that's everything for today, jour number 16. Thank you very much for joining me thinking about the weather. We'll be back again next time for another episode on the weather. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below for more videos. Don't forget that there is a blooper reel coming after the end credits. But for now, au revoir! Ooh la la, it is a splendid café. All about the weather. So we're gonna, what should I say? Yay! Lockdown fun. Ooh, a new angle. And there is a man climbing on the roof over there, which is quite scary. I'm scared of heights. This is shedding hair everywhere and totally messing up my own hair as well. Wearing prescriptive sunglasses with contact lenses in is not a good idea. Ooh la la vocab numéro 4 is the... You'll never walk alone. Heating up the milk went wrong. Raison day. Ooh la la vocab done. Come on, Mr. Reverse. 15, 16.